The D8 bulldozer, weighing over 40 tons, is built for extreme power. When paired with anchor chains, two of these machines can clear vast forest areas in a short time. Deforestation mainly happens to make space for agriculture. Farmers remove forests to grow crops and raise livestock, with cattle farming, soybean production, and palm oil plantations being the biggest reasons. In 2022 alone, the world lost 12.7 million hectares of forest, an area 100 times bigger than Los Angeles. One of the most effective land clearing methods is chain brushing, where a heavy-duty chain is attached between two bulldozers and dragged across the land to uproot trees, shrubs, and vegetation. This technique is widely used in dense forests and overgrown fields, and many find it satisfying to watch. Bulldozers are essential for land clearing because they are efficient, versatile, and cost-effective, using less fuel and requiring less maintenance than excavators. Forests are cleared mainly for farming, providing land for food production to support the growing population. While deforestation is controversial, it also creates jobs. In the United States, the forestry industry employs over 900,000 people and generates $100 billion annually. Other powerful land clearing machines include disc harrows, which are great for smaller scale clearing, roller choppers, which use rotating drums with blades to mulch vegetation, and tree spear blades, which are bulldozer-mounted tools that uproot trees and snap branches with precision. Shear blades, with their V-shaped design, cut through trees and brush efficiently. Thanks to modern technology, land clearing is now faster, safer, and more effective than ever. Stay tuned as we explore these powerful machines in action.